What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So I hope you guys like that little startup on the 98. Excuse me, it has been cold. Like, I think yesterday was like -10 with wind chill, but the 98 is back. It is finally fixed. I know for 100% fact it is fixed. Everything works. So what the problem was is my trailer brake plug-in right there, the wires were getting pinched up in between there. And yeah, I took it to the guy, his name, or the shop's Ken's Auto Electronic or something like that. I'll leave it down in the description. You guys can go check him out if you have any light problems. But he is in Edinburgh, Indiana. It's like 30 minutes from my house, so I just drove it up there, left it up there with him. But he got everything fixed. It is good to go. I haven't had any problems with it since. But yeah, you can see all the grime and stuff. We're gonna get it all cleaned up today. This weekend's supposed to be nice, but I just want to give you guys an update on it. I did order a new, I don't know what you want to call this, like a, because this is technically the grill, like the grill valance, or I don't know what you want to call it. But this whole piece here that the lights and everything sit in, it is on its way. This one's broke down here in the corner. There's like a clip broke. I don't know if you guys can even see in there, but we're gonna get it all fixed up. And when the new one comes in, I'm gonna just get probably a pint of the blue and spray it. And then in here, I ordered it black instead of the chrome, so I'll probably just leave it black. That, or I might color match it. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'll decide once it gets here. But yeah, that's basically it for the truck. Down at the shop, I am working on the 79's fuel tank. I had to patch a little hole, so that's basically it for the 79 until we get the flip shackle kit put on the rear, and the fuel pump and the tank and the straps and all that put on. So yeah, we're gonna jump over to something else real quick, but I'm going to run back inside because it's really cold and warm back up, and then I will bring you guys back. And we're back, guys. Hope you didn't miss me too much, but right here in this box, as a lot of you know, my brother drives a 2004 LLY Duramax. It's a 4-door short bed. We've been doing some small upgrades here and there to it. It's got EFI Live, it's got EGR delete to it, and right now he's running factory exhaust with the muffler deleted and a tip. So it's like 3.5. and then a tip on it. In this box, I've been talking to a company. I'll put all their information down in the description. But this is a brand new MagnaFlow 5-inch exhaust for the Duramax. The company I was talking to, they're from eBay. I was just scrolling through, I found them one day and messaged them. They're called Fix Your Truck. I'll leave their stuff like right down here on the screen. But all their information will be down in the description, like I said. But it was pretty cool, so I messaged them and I was like, hey, this is the story. Me and my brother are basically building his Duramax and we need an exhaust. And they're like, yeah, sure, we'll hook you up or whatever. So that's what this is. But the kicker is, I told my brother I was trying to get him an exhaust. He doesn't know that this thing's sitting in the garage right now. So that's where the kicker comes in. We're gonna surprise him with it, and then hopefully either tomorrow, which is Friday, we can do an install video on this thing and get it on the truck. We'll get a before and after, drive-bys and all that fun stuff. But yes, stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna try and get his reaction on it when I like surprise him with it. But basically I need to get him up to my sister's house, so I might tell him I need help on the Jeep or something. But we got to get him up here. I'm probably going to set the camera up somewhere and try and get his reaction on camera. But yeah, guys, that's going to be an awesome video. Stay tuned for it. And remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. If you're new, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, guys, I already know I ended the video already, but I just want to show you. I got the truck all cleaned up. Look how nice it looks with all that grime and stuff off of it. It actually looks clean for once. This is just dripping from the mirror, so don't judge. But sprayed up all underneath of it, sprayed off traction bars, and let it sit in the wash bay at work with the heater blowing on it, so nothing would freeze up. But as you can tell, the truck's due for a paint job, cowl hood, so I'm not really worried about this. But I don't know if I'm going to put new fenders on it, because these do have the holes in it from the factory 2500 style fender flares, as you can kind of see one right there. So I don't know if I'm going to try and patch those, grind them down, and then just weld them up, or what I'm going to do, what would be the best route. But I might look into just buying some new ones from like a different style, or the 1500 style truck, because they don't have the holes. They're all the same length, width, height, everything, so it's not gonna bug me just because it's a 1500 style. No, I really don't care. But I do have the new bed for it, so I could care less about that. If it rusts out, it rusts out. But I think what I'm gonna do when I go to redo everything, I am going to go to a low profile toolbox so you can see the full back window and stuff. But then I'm going to coat the whole frame, everything. I'm going to coat the drive shaft, the leaf springs, I mean front to back, top to bottom, all the wires and stuff. I'm going to wrap in like that wire conduit, like black stuff, whatever you want to call it. I'm probably going to coat the rear bumper again, and then the new bed, I'm going to sandblast it, rust coat it, then prime it, paint it. The inside will be all new bed liner. The bottom, like what sits on the frame itself, all have bed liner in it. This all up here will be bed liner, so it's gonna be nice. But yeah, then once that's off, I'll come back, patch all this stuff up, and then we'll have a brand new truck. And then I won't have to worry about paint fading and all this. But right now it looks pretty good, cleaned up, so I just want to share that. My brother is going to stop by, and then I'm going to surprise him with that. Going to try to set the camera up there and get his reaction and stuff. But yeah, so that's going to do it for this video. I know I already signed out once, but remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. So, hey, my shoes. You know that exhaust company? What?
They just ring them to send you something?
There you go. Go look at it.
They didn't even tell you anything? They just sent it?
I mean, I've been talking to them.
What do you got?
I don't think they just randomly sent an exhaust for
Well, I didn't know if they
a
was...
2004 Chevy.
Well, I know like you talked to them, but you said that...
Well, that was the whole idea, so you would be like, oh yeah.
I mean, I wasn't concerned whether they sent it or not, but that's pretty awesome. Maybe we'll wait till next weekend to try and put that on because I ain't trying to do that fucking cold ass. It's not a present for you. Okay. What is for me?
No.
That order.
That's your 5 you wanted.
Holy shit. Brrr. Well, cool fucking shit. Guess we'll have to get on making videos. I'm not sure we're going.
I'm making one right now.
Oh. What did you say was on PUBG?
Nothing. I just need an excuse to get you.